Alright, bull ring. Here's a special edition for the advanced traders and also for new traders. Hopefully you can follow along, but here's some of the strategies that we use at the bull ring. So I'm going to show you how we play straddles. And if you guys have been following me, you know that Meli or Mercado Libre has been one of my favorite stocks, and the reason being is because of the ATR and the volatility which is above 60%. The current ATR is about $53 per day, and I'll talk to you a little bit about what that means. But first, I'm going live with you guys, so appreciate you guys watching the video. If you like it, do me a favor and click like and subscribe. So I'm going to show you a few of the things that I've done with Meli or Mercado Libre to help me with straddles. So straddles is what I've been playing with them, and I'll show you what straddles do. If you guys see up here at the top, I've highlighted a white circle so you guys can see where we started. So one of the things that I noticed on Coach's lightning line right there, the orange one, is that we had a reversal hammer on the 1 hour. So for me, that means that the stock is going to head down now. Okay, now this is something I do every day, so you got to make sure if you guys are going to play stocks, if you're going to trade, invest, whatever you want, you have to do your homework. If you're not doing your homework, it's not going to work. You cannot rely on someone to tell you, hey, get in, hey, get out. Guess what's going to happen to your money? It's going to get small pretty soon. So be careful with relying on others. Do your homework. Study candles. If you want to learn more, I'm happy to teach you for free. I'm going to leave you guys a link at the bottom in the description. You guys sign up for my classes and sign up for my private chat room where we can talk about it all day long, 7 days a week. Okay. So we said there's a reversal candle, reversal hammer on the 1 hour. And this is when the stock was about 1,085, 1,087, okay? Now I want to show you guys what happened when I noticed that. So then I decided, let me jump into a straddle with Meli, and I'll show you what that looks like in a sec here. Okay, so this is Meli, and I jumped in the straddle about an hour, half an hour after I noticed this candle. Okay, and I want you to see, okay, after I noticed, it went up for a sec, and then it started trending down. I bought 2 more straddles. Here is 1, 2, and 3. Okay, and the way straddles work is you're buying a call and you're buying a put at the same time. Okay, now when you buy a straddle, you get to pick the deltas, and you're going to have a delta difference. So a straddle, you can have 50-50, 49-50, 51-48, or you can have like a 35-65, depending on what they have available. I like to try to keep it even. Okay, try to stay around 50-50, 49-51. Okay, 1 delta difference. And that's what I did with each one of these straddles. So you can see that the puts, okay, started doing pretty good. Then they went back and forth, and eventually we have a total gain of $12,397, right? So if you would have entered on this date here, and let me show you right up here, okay, right in the circle, if you would have got in there, okay, you would have had the advantage of 2 days of $53 to $58 drops. Okay, now What does that mean in the delta world? Well, I'm glad you asked. Let me show you. Okay, so if you look at the deltas over here, okay, if we started at 50-50, then you can tell, okay, that we went from 50-50 on this straddle to 103. What does that mean? That means that the put is gaining 100 for every dollar the stock drops, and you're losing $3 on the call for every dollar it drops. But the difference is up here at $96. So you're getting total of $96 every time the stock drops. On this straddle, the gain is 94. On this one, it's $80.89. Now, this one is for next week expiration. Okay, so these are expiring tomorrow, so they have to be sold in the morning or maybe at midday, depending on what the market is doing. But this is how you play straddles. You watch for your reversal hammers on the 1 hour, the 4 hour, or the daily. Okay, and when that happens, then I feel very comfortable entering into these trades. Okay, so this is how I teach the straddles. This is how I play the straddles, and this is how I can teach you how to play the straddles. But you have to make sure that you're ready to do your homework, okay? And straddles are not as bad as you think. It's very, very easy for me, because if the stock goes up, you start making money. If the stock goes down, you start making money. Now, the only part is I recommend buying time on your straddles, because if the stock starts doing what I call dolphin time, it's just going sideways, right? You want to buy some time and give the stock a chance to consolidate and then either fall or go up. So this is the benefit of playing straddles. Now, if your stock goes sideways too long, eventually it could turn a little red, but always buy time, okay? But it doesn't matter where it goes. If you have time, or if you're studying your chart like I showed you up here, then you'll see and know how much time you actually need to buy. So easy way, low risk, as long as you're studying your chart and know your entry and buy yourself some time. So this is just some of the strategies we use at Bull Ring Trading. If you're interested, click on the link below. And if you like the video, do me a favor, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And we'll be in touch soon with the next video. Appreciate you guys.